Namaste. To make yourselves comfortable, close your eyes. Come into either a seated or lying down, reclined position. And take a moment for yourself. Breathe in. And breathe out. Take another slow, deep breath in. And a long, gentle breath out, maybe from your nostrils or from your mouth. With each exhale, allow yourself to release any tension. Let it flow out of your body and your mind. And as you continue to breathe, feel your breath as it moves naturally in and out. Noticing the rhythm that has always been by your side through the months, the days, the weeks, and the years. With each breath in, imagine drawing in clarity, courage, and calm. With each breath out, releasing what no longer serves you. Worries, doubts, and anything heavy. As you continue to breathe, picture your breath circulating throughout your entire body, renewing each cell and every thought with fresh energy. I'd like to now invite you to bring your awareness to your heart center. You're welcome to place a hand here if you like, as a gesture of kindness towards yourself. And I'd like to invite you now to just recall any challenges that you encountered and gently acknowledge them. Every challenge is part of our learning, part of our journey. So just acknowledging. And now recall moments from this past month that brought you joy, insight, or growth. You don't need to name them all. Just let your heart feel the warmth and presence of those experiences. And now expand your awareness outward to the people, places, and experiences that supported you this month. Feel your connection to your community, to your friends and loved ones, and to the wider world. Silently or aloud, offer gratitude for the lessons, the small joys, and the moments of stillness that have carried you through. May this gratitude ripple out, touching others as well as yourself. Take a deep, full, nourishing breath in and out. Maybe another full, nourishing breath, and slowly exhale, letting it go. Setting a gentle intention for the month ahead. It could be to carry more awareness, kindness, patience, or courage. Whatever arises, allow it to guide you without pressure. As we end today's meditation, I would like to invite you to carry this sense of calm, clarity, and renewal with you into the days to come. May you have a wonderful summer. Namaste.